questions and answers about MLS laser therapy.
What is MLS laser therapy?
MLS laser therapy is a revolutionary treatment being used by doctors across the nation to relieve pain and reduce inflammation. One example, Dr. Richard Jacoby, one of America's leading foot and ankle surgeons, who has been using MLS laser therapy for 2 years.
It's a pretty amazing instrument. We call it the magic wand. A lot of patients come in who have had treatments for years, and they have instant relief of pain. If you wanted an alternative to medicine and surgery, a laser by far and beyond of any modality I've ever used in the physical therapy world, this is the best.
Other doctors have been similarly impressed.
I put myself under this laser the day after we got it. I did my shoulder and my knee, and that night I realized that I had no pain in my shoulder or knee after one treatment. It works.
How does it work?
The therapy laser employs 2 synchronized wavelengths of light, which transfer energy to damaged tissues at the cellular level.
That light triggers metabolic reactions in the cell that stimulate healing, that stimulate reduced inflammation, and stimulate pain reduction.
And after going through the different scientific studies, a lot of them out of Harvard, I was intrigued by the impact this light energy has on the cells. And to be able to decrease the inflammation pathway and the swelling on a cellular level, it makes sense that you thereby decrease the pain.
We brought it into our clinic and we started seeing patient after patient responding with almost too good to be true. You see someone that has such debilitating pain in 1-2 treatments and they're 80-90% better. So it's been really miraculous.
One of those miracle patients is Tony Gamby, who endured severe ankle pain for 8 years.
After the first 7-minute treatment, I was completely without pain. I was smiling all day long because I hadn't walked without pain in a long time. And to be without pain like this, it's worth every penny.
Who can benefit from MLS laser therapy?
The therapy is being used by podiatrists, pain management specialists, chiropractors, and other doctors. It has proven effective on a wide range of ailments, including tendon and ligament injuries, soft tissue injuries, muscle strains and tears, sore muscles and joints, degenerative joint conditions, neurological pain, chronic non-healing wounds, general pain, musculoskeletal disorders, pre- and post-surgical treatment, anti-inflammation applications, with new uses being found every day.
This is frankly the edge of a tidal wave.
In the vast majority of cases across the country, MLS laser therapy has meant relief from often intractable pain, without medication, without surgery.
I had an injury that would be nagging for 6 to 9 months, would have taken a ton of ice, aspirin, rehab, and instead it was gone, and it was just amazing. So I became an instant believer in it.
After the first time, I felt a difference, and after the second time, it was an incredible difference.
The laser helped me at a critical time in healing when I was literally bedridden with back pain, and it was just relieving the pain.
Tell you what, it's done wonders. It's really done wonders for me, so I'm grateful for that.
I would say I'm about 70% better than I was prior to the laser.
After a few visits, I started to feel the difference. So I have to attribute the healing that took place to that treatment because I haven't had anything else done. That's it, simple as that.
It saved my life. It saved the ability for me to be able to be flexible and to walk and bicycle and to be a regular healthy person instead of somebody who was 64 and getting old and getting unflexible. And so it made a big difference to me. Very big difference.